Welcome to Trigonometries. In this video, we're going to do some homework problems that have to do with lines in the plane. The first problem that we're going to do is we're going to find the slope between the 2 points 3, 1 and -2, 5. So we need to find the slope between these 2 points in the xy plane. To do that, we're going to utilize the slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And all we have to do is assign which one we're going to call x1, y1, and which one we're going to call x2, y2. And it doesn't actually matter which ones you do as long as you're consistent down here. So let's set this one to be x1 and y1, and this to be x2, y2. If you wanted, you could have made this x2, y2, and this one x1, y1, and it still would have worked out. You just have to make sure you plug it in consistently here. So let's go ahead and calculate this. So we plug in y2 and y1 on top, and we get 5 minus 1, and then we put in x2 and x1 on the bottom, which would give us -2 minus 3. 5 minus 1 is just 4, and -2 minus 3 is -5. This produces a fraction that's -4/5, and that's the slope of this line here. And that's it for today's video on trigonometries. If it was helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to Trigonometries. The only way we can continue to produce video content like this is if we get help from subscribers like you. And so if we helped you, please help us out by liking and subscribing to this video. And we'll see you next time on Trigonometries.